sometimes, just sometimes, your stencil and your tattoo reference can be a struggle. Some would say that the struggle can be worse than a person with webbed feet trying to put on a flip-flop. Well, in this video, we are going to be talking about one of those struggles that I have encountered. And hopefully, if you've encountered the same problem, this video is for you. But if you have not encountered this problem, keep watching anyway, because what I'm about to show you could change your goddamn life. While you are watching this video, I am currently tattooing my little ass off at the UK Top Tattoo Artist Convention. And it will be the last day and I will be really tired. But hopefully it's going to be a good convention and I can bring you some good content from said convention. And who knows, maybe even a little cheeky time lapse. There'll be definitely a review coming though. What is poppin', people? And welcome back to yet another tattoo tips video, and yet another video where you can get this much sex appeal oozing through your phone or computer screen. But as hard as it is, you are gonna have to listen to this one. I know it's hard to concentrate when there is that much sex appeal coming through your screen right now, but please, I need you to listen. Have you ever struggled with seeing the tonal changes and values in your realistic or portrait references? Well, if you have, I'm going to give you one of the greatest things since sliced bread on a better way to see those tonal value changes to make your stenciling that little bit easier. Often, sometimes when it comes to realism, it is incredibly difficult to see where your tones stop and start and see a separation in tone. So it makes it hard to stencil, especially when it comes to realism and portraits. Now, one of the solutions that I found that helps me is this right here. So let's take this piece for example. As you can see, I have started stenciling it. I've done around the eye, I've done under the chin, and say I wanted to go onto that right hand side of the face, and I'm struggling to see where my tones stop and start because the gradients are so minuscule. There's no like harshness to it, it's just nice and smooth. What I would do is I would posterize this image. So what do I mean by posterizing? Well, posterizing is when you take your image and you take it from this to where it is to this. Now, as you can see, that has separated my tones a lot more to make it so much easier to see where my tonal changes are. Now, obviously, you wouldn't tattoo it like this, but this really does help in seeing where your subtle changes are to get you the best possible stencil. So how do you posterize the image? Well, you are going to go onto Google, type in posterize and click on the top link. Then you will go down to browse, find the image that you are wanting. Let's go with this one here. We'll click that. We'll click OK, and then the posterizing takes effect. You can open your processed image, and there you go. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want a little bit more posterizing, what you can do is you can up or lower these numbers. The lower you go, the less detail that you actually get. So I think we did it on 8 last time, so let's do it on 3. Click OK, go to open processed image, and as you can see, it is more posterized. You can have a play around increasing or decreasing your number to get the amount of posterization that you want. But guys, if you have liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, do not forget to like this video, and do not forget to turn on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. If you do want any added extra benefits, you can sign up to my Patreon. The link is in the description. You'll get access to a Discord server where you get access to me pretty much all the time. Ask all the questions you want, get private critiques, stuff like that, all right? But guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.